That was easy.
Too soon. Unboxing video. Tavish here. The T3x from RTi. This isn't your average T3x because it's white. Special order. Forgive my lack of a X-Acto blade here. Alright. They come with some contents. Of course, they show you right off the bat that, oh, you might be getting a black one. No, 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 no. This, my friends, is the special edition white. It's pretty. Buttons feel fresh, nice and rubbery. This, of course, has a front-mounted camera, so you can watch yourself while you change channels. It's also got a microphone, so with the new RTi modules or Crestron module, or whatever module, you can go, Apple TV, Handmaiden's Tale, Blessed Be Thy Fruit. Pretty cool. I'll film a video when it's going though, but this is the special edition, RTi T3x.